on my trip to North India. So guys, let's go. Guys, the journey has started and I'm on the way to the airport. So guys, now I'm at the airport. What I found, a peacock. It's a beautiful decoration at this airport. So guys, now I'm at the Amritsar airport. It is very cold here since I came in the winters. See a beautiful art piece at the airport. So guys, now I'm at the Golden Temple and this is my first stop of the trip. This is the biggest attraction of Amritsar. This place is the heaven for the Sikhs. And not only the Sikhs but people from all the religions come here. Remove my shoes, washing my feet. And going inside. As you can see, everybody has covered their head here and it's a must. Such a beautiful place it is. This is a very peaceful, neat and clean place. That's how usually the Gurudwaras are. These are the cameraman who shoot live telecast of the Golden Temple. This is the Akal Takht Sahib and it was built by Sikh Guru, Sri Guru Gobind Sahib Ji. The cameras were not allowed inside, so I cannot take you there. Now I'll take you to the Langar Hall. That's the free kitchen. It's the Langar Hall. The langar is served to more than 50,000 people a day. And on holidays or religious occasions, the number usually goes up to 1 lakh. About 5,000 kilos of wheat is used every day. The way they're flipping the rotis. Nearly 1,800 kilograms of dal, 1,400 kilograms of rice and 700 liters of milk are consumed daily in the langar kitchen. See how big utensils they're using to cook the food. "100 gas cylinders are needed to cook the food. And there are many burners and hot plates. And see the proper management for distribution of the food among so many people. Wow, see how it's managed. And see how many people are going inside taking their plates. Everybody sits on the floor. That's to bring the equality among everyone. That was all about the Golden Temple. Next is a very famous dish of Amritsar, the Amritsari Kulcha. It's the Amritsari Kulcha. And I have come to enjoy it with my family. These are some fun moments. I hope you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!